Hey everybody, got some drone footage here from the Ultimate Fitness Urijah Faber gym. It looks like an 8-engine fire. I think it was started by a homeless encampment, probably hidden inside the building. Yeah, long story short, I don't think anybody was injured. I noticed there was a stretcher that was pulled out and nobody left on it, so it's a good sign. I did notice there was a lot of fire trucks going by, so I decided it'd be best to launch a drone and fly over and see what we could see. We got there, noticed it probably burned for a good 10-15 minutes, and yeah, some good footage of a building burning and some hard-working firemen doing their best. So let's check it out. Gonna get the bird in the air. Takes about 10-15 seconds. Yeah, as you can see, another truck. And we're gonna actually follow that truck all the way to the fire. Here we go. You'll notice on the right hand side of the screen. Happen to be right next to the light rail and Highway 50 in the back there. This is 65th Street in Sacramento, so it's pretty well known. It happens to be a thoroughfare for students to go to school there to the left, and this is a pretty popular light rail stop for people and homeless, so that's probably why it got started, but I'm only guessing. Closer. Yeah, you can see it's actually burning from the inside. One, two, three, four, 5 engines. I think a few more show up later. There's the guys rolling in the stretcher. I initially thought somebody might be injured, but you'll see towards the end no one else gets pulled out of there, so it's a good thing. I thought the sunset made a pretty cool view with all the shadows. Getting some hoses out, setting them up off that fire hydrant. See, it takes them a good 5 minutes to get set up. I think from when the drone took off till now, we're rolling right around 4 minutes, so it's been burning for at least 5 minutes before that. As you can see, I was pretty close to those power lines. They kind of snuck up on me. I was in visual line of sight the whole time, so I had a feeling I'd be just high enough. Nice. Got some water on the blaze. Seems to calm it right down. Notice they're trying to gain access. I think they have to break that door down. And then notice that fire truck there on the left. Extending that ladder. They want to get on the roof here. Some fire chiefs are showing up there. Looks like they got access right there in the most burned part. They're gonna put out the rest of the blaze here any second.